Right, welcome back everyone. This is a little midweek episode. Well, it's not an episode, it's just a little midweek, call it a vlog. Show you what I've got in. I've just had a new sticker come in from one of my subscribers, so we're going to stick that on. And then I'm just going to show you some other little things that I've got in the gazebo. What I've got to work on. Not a lot of scrap stuff at the minute, so you have to bear with me on that. So let's get this sticker on the board and then we'll take a look and see what we've got. Right then, so we've got a sticker come in, and this is from Gav Out and About. There's actually two here, one for my dad. He sent one, so that's Gav's sticker there. I'll leave a link in the description below to Gav, and if you haven't got him, go and head over to his channel, give him a sub and all that, and ring his bell. He actually does daily vlogs. Go over and see Gav and tell him we've sent you across. Right then, so we're going to stick him under Roy's the Boy, next to Mark Stone. So I've got my little squeegee today, so we're going to stick that there. And there he is on there, look. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description below for that, for Gav. Another one that the Diesel guy's done. So the Diesel guy's nearly done all these stickers on this board, so well done Mr. and Mrs. Diesel for that. But let's go and have a look what's in the gazebo. Right, so we've had come in this little McCulloch with the 450e Briggs engine on it, and this is actually come in as a non-runner for spares or repairs. If you've seen the Butler's Empire channel, you would have seen these Mowers feature on there, just as a little sneak peek preview. And we actually diagnosed this on there that it actually needs a new coil. So the old man's been and sourced me one out of the log cabin, so that will be going on there in a future video. So it's actually not been heard running yet, so it still could be a non-runner, but there is no spark at the minute. We've checked all the irrelevant wiring and all that, it's all intact, so we're just hoping that replacing the coil will sort our problem out on that one. The body on it is in excellent condition, hasn't done a lot of work at all, this one, so that'll be a video on its own, replacing the coil, and hopefully just a general service, and that will be ready to be outed. And then we've got this McAllister, which has the 450 on it again, engine. This is another one. This has been sat in the chap's garage for a year. He bought it last year, and his wife didn't like it because they had an SP470, which was self-drive, and this is a push mower. So this actually never got used. So he actually bought it second hand off another chap that had it for a year. So it's about 3 years old, this one, I believe, and it's only been used for one season, so it's in immaculate condition. And the reason this one come to me was it being a non-starter. He took the spark plug out of it and the air filter for his SP470 when he serviced that, because it had a new plug and a filter in it. So he was going to show me it running. He wanted to show me it running, but I said if he was that keen to show me it running, I took his word on it. I paid 30 quid for it. All this one wants is a new plug and an air filter, and I think a good service, and I think that'll be spot on running another quick turnaround. So we've got potentially 2 quick turnarounds here. And then I've got something else I ain't shown you yet. I've had this for a while, but I've just kept it out of sight, and it will be featuring in a later video, but it's just getting time to get around to it. So let me show you what I've got over here. Right, so here she is. We've got a little nice mobility scooter here. This is actually one that folds down, you can put in the boot of your car. It comes complete with the charger. It had new batteries 2 years ago, so that's a bonus. It all fully works. It does move. It's on slow speed at the minute, so I don't want to be shooting off in there, but yeah, it's had a few scratches on it. It's nothing, no damage to the plastic. Normally these wheel arches get broken, but there's no actual damage to them. There's been a bit of paint scrapes where they've just been bashed and someone's actually touched it in with a bit of red paint, and it's not the exact match. So there will be a couple of episodes on this where we just tidy it up. We're going to take this body off, and I'm actually going to have a go at wrapping it, and I think I'm going to go in the red colour that I've done my sticker board in, so you might see a little bit of wrapping on here. And you can see this hasn't done a lot of work. It's got good tread on the wheels. Normally the tread on these things just go bald, but it was just as a backup one for when they went out in the car. So, and it has a rucksack that goes on the back here that I've got in the back there. It's just going to go for a wash. You've got your front basket, you've got your high and low speed, comes with a torch on there. So that's that. So it all folds down and up and that. There's no rips or tears on the chair, so that's handy. It is lightweight. So yeah, that's the little scooter we got. And also we got the generator down there that hasn't been started since, when was that? It's got to be 5 weeks now. I actually haven't done nothing with this generator since the last video. Regarding generating electricity, I haven't investigated nothing on that yet, so we'll still need to come back to that with another episode for you where we'll diagnose the problem hopefully, and get it running some equipment. So turn the fuel on, switch on, choke on, and let's see if it'll go. I don't want to whack me arm on that. Let's see if we can get it to fire anyway. Oh, something's fell in the shed. I'm still happy with that, but we will come back to that at a later date. Right, I don't know what the sound's going to be like on this because I didn't have the mic on for this one. It was just a little quick fast blast one. So yeah, if you've enjoyed watching, remember just give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment and I'll get back to you. Right then, there's a link down below for Gav Out and About if you want to go over there and check his channel out, and there's also a link down below for the Amazon wish list if anybody wants to help support the channel in any way. It's greatly appreciated. So until then, we're going to leave it there for now, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.